How to make a full-year manpower mapping? To generate the schedule for the entire year, the following conditions must be met. Ensure that demand for each role is generated for the whole year based on forecasts and scheduled events. Gather availability information from the fixed team, freelancers, outsourcing partners, and embrace everyone. Make sure all team members have assigned working hour rules, competencies, and skill levels defined. After all necessary data is gathered, the schedule can be automatically generated. And once the schedule is generated, we need to finalize the roster. When analyzing it, we may encounter service level gaps. You can find a solution where the system shows available employees within the existing board or in any other roster who can be scheduled for the shift. You can also create a shift bidding process to promote the open shifts internally or to a group of outsourcing partners or freelancers who might be interested. The available shift is shared with the chosen talent pool, when interested individuals can apply based on their availability to fulfill the open shift of the schedule. Sisqual WFM helps you achieve efficient workforce planning through effective full-year manpower mapping. Want to learn more? Contact our WFM specialists.